Hello everyone, again this is Tejal from submodule software and today we will see how to add assessment particulars. So let's start. Just click on HR module, then select assessment particulars submodule. Just click on these four dots. You will see add assessment option over here. Just click on it, then enter the name. I am just adding assessment 1. Then select the type. I am just selecting survey. Just select the subtype. I have selected annual. Then select the designation. If you don't get any designation over here, then please check out my previous video how to add employee designations and add it. Just select that designation. Then enter the display order and add description against that assessment. I am just adding survey assessment and just save it. On save only, your data will be saved and page will be reloaded and particular entry tab will be available. Just click on that particular entry tab. You will see add option over here. Just click on that add option and enter your questions in it. I'm just adding test question over here. Then select the type. Is it that question is yes or no or multiple choice or free text? Just select that. I have just adding yes or no type. Then enter the weightage for it. Then add display order. Any description is there for that question, just added that description. I'm just adding test description. Then click on this add option and enter yes or no options. I'm just adding. Then enter the display order also. Then enter no and this display order. Just save that particular entry and your question will be added successfully, and you can easily view, edit and delete that question through these actions, and you can also add multiple questions over here. Just go to the basic page and just save and close this entry. Your particular will be created successfully and you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through these actions. You can quick search your results through this filter given over here, and you can quick refresh that search result through this refresh button. This is how you can add your particulars. If you get any query to create assessment particular, then please connect us at contact us@sunmolsoftware.com. See you in the next video.